Hey, I'm Sam Ross. Welcome to Attaboy. It's a little cocktail bar that we opened in 2013, so coming up to 6 years of existence. It was formerly a fairly iconic bar called Milk and Honey. So we had the opportunity to take over the bar. We did some renovations down here and we opened up basically what we had envisioned as our ideal cocktail bar, you know, something that we discussed many late nights after shifts with a shot of whiskey. So the drink we're making today is a drink called a Wry Grin using Michter's rye whiskey. It's a whiskey smash variation essentially, a little variant on Dale DeGroff's classic. We're gonna get started. Get our small tin and a small handful of mint, 6 to 8 leaves I'd say. Lemon, about a half a lemon depending on size, cut for muddling. And then we need 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. I like to muddle at the end and I get a bit more freedom with the liquid in there. 1.5 ounces of delicious Michter's US 1 rye whiskey. 1/2 ounce of bitter Fernet Branca. We're gonna muddle our citrus up now, all right? So careful to get every chunk of lemon in there, but we're not trying to pulverize this. We're not trying to make it into a paste or anything like that. Gentle abuse of every lemon wedge is what we're aiming for. Very easy to adjust at this point in time. If it's a bit too sweet, I can add some more citrus. A bit too sour, I can add a little bit more simple, but this tastes good to me. And we're gonna fill this up with some cracked ice. So we'll give this a shake. I don't want to over dilute it at this point. I'm really just trying to get the ingredients a quick chill and integrated. All right, strain. And give this a nice healthy mint sprig, all right? And so that's it, that's our Wry Grin. Rye whiskey, Fernet Branca, muddled lemon, mint, just a little bit of sugar, all done on cracked ice. This drink is super easy to make at home, guys. Use good quality rye whiskey. Michter's is a great bet. Give it a shot at home. If you're not into that, come and see us at the bar. Attaboy, we're here 7 days a week.